SQL injection, also referred to as SQLI, is one of the most dangerous vulnerabilities for online applications. It is a common method used by attackers to manipulate and access database information that would otherwise not be displayed or provided to the website user. Here we have a classic example of a query that is vulnerable to SQL injection, because the parameter is directly connected to the query. In a normal case, a last name like Johnson will give the desired output. However, connecting an OR statement with a Boolean expression that is always true will reveal more information than intended. It is even worse if the original query is closed and a new SQL statement is started. This can result in corrupting the data in your database or even remove data from it. SQL injection mainly occurs when the user adds untrusted data to a database query, for instance when filling in a web form. If a SQL injection is possible, smart attackers can create a malicious user input to steal valuable data, bypass authentication, or corrupt the data in your database. So now you know what SQL injection is and why you should be aware of it.